welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video we're going to do some spring cleaning, and especially my closet. I need to clean out my closet, reorganize everything, so let's get started. This is the current situation of my closet. It's not dramatically full, but there's quite a lot of clothing pieces I just don't wear anymore, and I would either like to sell or donate. So first I'll be taking everything out I don't like anymore, or I know I won't wear. Now to the drawers. This is like my t-shirt drawer, and I'm just gonna look through it and then again pick out the things I do not want to keep, or I know I won't be wearing them. So slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through a hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging my eye, but then you're right by my side. Tell me it's all in my mind. You make me wanna be with somebody. And this is my clothing rack, which has no organization at all. And then here I cleaned out this batch already a few months ago, and I'm still in process of like selling these. If you want to find me, I have a Vinted account, and you know, I sell my stuff there, and yeah. But now we're gonna come to the organizing part of my closet. I'm going to reorganize the store so I would be able to see every t-shirt and every tank top I have. So I'll just start off with that. So yeah, that's about right, and then I will actually continue, and I will kind of try to fold them. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
smile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Now I need to move all the clothing from my clothing rack into my closet, like the things that belong into the closet. Now I will organize this part of my closet, which is going to be a lot of work because I need to organize after sweaters, after hoodies, after crewnecks, after like pants, after skirts, dresses, and everything.
I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like ants mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Next thing to organize is my clothing rack. Yeah. So this is everything I want to sell slash donate, so I'll be needing to take some pictures of these clothes. And this is the finished product. And this is the clothing rack. That was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Bye. See you.